For businesses seeking to streamline their operations and gain better control over their endeavors, Sage offers a suite of powerful tools. Among these, the ability to effectively manage projects is often a central requirement. Whether you're overseeing a construction endeavor, a marketing campaign, or a software development cycle, having a structured way to organize tasks, track progress, and manage resources is crucial. If you're new to the Sage ecosystem or looking to solidify your understanding, a fundamental question arises. How do I create a project in Sage? While the specific steps might vary slightly depending on the Sage product you are using, e.g., Sage Project Accounting, Sage Intact Project Management, the underlying principles and the general process remain quite similar. This guide will walk you through the common steps involved in setting up a new project within a Sage environment, providing a clear and easy-to-understand framework for both beginners and those looking to enhance their project management skills. The journey of creating a project in Sage typically begins with accessing the Project Management module. Once you've logged into your Sage system, you'll need to navigate to the section dedicated to project management. This is usually clearly labeled and accessible through the main menu or dashboard. Look for terms like projects, project accounting, or job costing. Clicking on this will take you to the project overview screen, where you can see existing projects and initiate the creation of a new one. Next, you'll typically encounter an option to create new project, add project, or similar. This button or link will open a form or a wizard that guides you through the initial setup process. This is where you'll define the fundamental characteristics of your project. One of the first and most crucial steps is to assign a project name or number. This identifier will be used throughout the system to refer to your project, so it's important to choose something clear, concise, and easily recognizable. Many organizations follow a specific naming convention or numbering system for their projects to maintain consistency and facilitate easy tracking. For educational purposes, think of it like giving your essay a title. It needs to be unique and representative of the content within. Following the identification, you'll likely be asked to define the project's scope and objectives. This involves providing a brief description of what the project entails, its goals, and the expected outcomes. This high-level overview helps to establish the context for the project and ensures that everyone involved has a shared understanding of its purpose. Think of this as writing the introduction to your project, outlining what you aim to achieve. Another key element in setting up a project is defining the project timeline. This involves specifying the start and end dates of the project. While these might be preliminary estimates at the outset, establishing a timeframe provides a crucial framework for planning and tracking progress. Some Sage systems might also allow you to set key milestones within the project timeline, breaking down the overall duration into smaller, more manageable phases. This is similar to setting deadlines for different sections of a research paper. Assigning a project manager is another critical step. The project manager will be responsible for overseeing the project's execution, managing the team, and ensuring that the project stays on track. You'll typically be able to select a user from your Sage system to take on this role. Clearly identifying the project lead from the beginning establishes accountability and a point of contact for all project-related matters. Many Sage systems also allow you to link the project to a specific customer or client. This is particularly relevant for businesses that undertake projects for external entities. Linking the project to a customer record allows for easy tracking of project-related communications, invoicing, and reporting. Furthermore, you might have the option to categorize your project. This could involve assigning it to a specific department, project type, or industry. Categorization helps in organizing projects within the system and allows for better analysis and reporting across different segments of your business.